Hello, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and I ordered a Christmas present from my husband. Yep, I added to my collection, my stash. I did. Because he didn't know what to get me, and I've been wanting one of the things. I'm only going to unbox one. I've got 4 canvases to unbox. They were all purchased from a destash. So, and the lady's name is Julie Fulp, I think, F-U-L-P. I hope I'm not messing up her name. But great seller. I will put her name in the comments. So, yeah, what did I get? I got something we love in this household because of my name. So, let's take a look. Okay. We got fall birds. There's a lot of orange in this one, but I really think it's going to come out great because they usually do. Okay. This is what I want to see. What do you think it is? What do you think the card is? Come on, you already know. It's probably going to be bronze. And it is. Why else would it be in a destash included in the kit? Because it's a bronze. So here are the colors. We'll have to look and see what it looks like. Okay. This was one that I did want, because there's one in there that came with the package deal, but it's not my cup of tea. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is pretty. Oh, look at these birds. Look at those birds. The colors, this reminds me of a Randal Spangler color palette. It's a square. It's wonderful. Oh, I bet you the red is going to be in the bird somewhere. Let's see. It has 2 ABs and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fairy dust. And the fairy dust is the clover. Yep, this is all clovers in this bird. Oh, he's going to sparkle. And then the ABs is the triangle. And that's in this blue jay. And I'm sure in this chickadee, it's going to be some yellow. So we got the X and the wavy lines. And there's the X. Oh, these birds are going to be so pretty. This is one I will have to do covered up and by the squares, because there's a lot of browns. And I don't want to get bored too quickly. And I don't think I will. There's beautiful colors in this. I love it. We love the birds. I love to feed the birds. You guys, oh wow, look how pretty. Look at those. Let's bring you down a little bit. See that? All right, let's see. Oh, here's one that's all by his little lonesome. He's by himself. Okay. Okay, these are squares. Here is an AB. AB 321. Look at these. 3 bags of that orange. This canvas is going to pop. Even though there's a lot of browns, but there's a lot of oranges and yellows. So you can't go by the color of this canvas. Look at the drills. These are going to actually be the colors on the canvas. Fairy dust. Here's some fairy dust. And here's some more fairy dust and the AB, which is probably going to go in this Blue Jay. Here's another fairy dust. And I wanted to show you that I feel like I'm thumbing through a notebook. There's 1 bag of 310, 1. And there is a bag of 938, but it's, guys, I think it's going to be just fine. I'm going to be just fine. These are pretty. Look at that. 746. I want to know where this guy goes. Okay, he's the up arrows. And they're going to go in the tree bark. They're going to go right in here, the tree bark. Yep, all up and down the tree bark. Oh, these are going to be, and I bet you these, 742 is the letter E, and yes, they are going to be all in the background. That's going to, I believe it's going to mimic the sun coming through. I think that's what that's going to look like. Oh, but look at the oranges and the yellows. And, okay, I thought that was a fairy dust. It is not. Oh, it's going to be great. Here's a fairy dust right here. An AB. Oh, these is, guys, look at those blues. It's gonna be great. This one will be a good one to do in fall. But you know, I already haven't picked out, but those of you who have been following me, no, that doesn't mean anything. I do change my mind. So I will be doing inventory on this, and the way I do inventory is, well, let me put these away for a second so I can, because I'm getting out of sequence here. I do want to show you the canvas. Oh, sorry. I started the video up again. So just hold on. Bear with me. I'm still here. This is a live blooper. It is. So, okay, we are back. So let me show you the canvas. All right, let me stand up. Look at that. Look at how pretty that's going to be. It's going to be super pretty. And it is, the measurements are 22 by 30, which is a good size. It's a good size. 22 by 30. And let me see if it tells you 68,320 drills. It does. So when I do inventory, okay, I'm going to show you. I'm not going to do them all, but I do like to check them. Now it's a destash, so I'm not going to be able to get them replaced. So I'm going to use this sticker sheet, and I am going to use a pen. Look at the number 3772. Now, obviously, I don't know how many bags I'm going to have, but I can at least make sure I have at least one bag of every color. So 3772, I circle the number 38 because I really don't use the numbers. The first number, I really don't use those for anything. 801, 801, 740. And I just go through and make sure that all of these numbers are circled. And then I'm good. And then when I start the kit, I can look at this and go, okay, you had all the drills when it came in. So if something's missing, it's my fault. Usually, I keep them all together. Once I do the inventory, they go in a gallon baggie. And this side will be on top of the drills in the baggie. And I will cut this little tag off and put it on the other side. So no matter which way the gallon baggie is in my container, no matter which direction, I will still be able to see the name of the kit or the picture of the kit. So I'll be able to look at that and go, oh, I know what this kit belongs to. Now I'm thinking about putting the cards in the bags, especially if they're just bronze cards. So I could put this one on one side and then that one on the other. So the drills would be between them in the baggie. I think I might do that. Yeah, I think I might do that. So I will be, I like to do the inventory because I like to make sure the colors are all there. Especially if I purchase it, because then I can contact Diamond Art Club and say, hey, I'm missing a color. I'm not ready to do it yet, but I'm missing a color. It's still in stock. Do you think you can send me the drills? And it usually, I would think that they would still have that color dye on hand, especially if the kit is still in stock. But I have screwed up kitting up and had to make my own adjustment. So I don't need this. So that's going to go over there. And this will go here for when I do inventory. And that is how I do it. That is how I do it. I know, I'm not going to sing. Don't worry. So let me know. Did you get this kit? I think this was one that came in the mystery box. I'm not sure. But let me know. Did you get this kit? Are you going to do this kit? Did you destash this kit? I am not going to destash this kit. I got it from a destash and I liked it. So I am Pampered with Diamonds. I'm out of here, and be kind to everyone.